So the first lesson I learned is basically something that I've known for a while, right? Every new trader, right, hear this. Like, don't let yesterday's trade follow you, or basically don't take whatever happened yesterday into a new trading day. So I yesterday, right, I was in this trade. I mean, my rationale for getting into this trade was correct. That's fine. I followed my trading plan. So I wasn't really mad about the first loss. What I was mad about is the fact that I did get into like put into positions here when I shouldn't have. So like my according to my trading plan, right? I'm only supposed to get into one position per pair, I guess, until unless I have one position in like at break even, or if it's in profit, right, my stop loss is in profit. But I did not do that, right? I don't know what I was doing, and I put like I had two positions on this one pair, and obviously I lost a lot of money, and I was just feeling so down yesterday. It was not a good day for me. Like, I probably should have journal my feelings, but I didn't. So basically, the whole day was just, man, it was just dull for me, right? But I let my emotions from that, which is kind of weird because these days I've been not really emotional when it comes to losing and it comes to trading. I guess because I didn't follow my trading plan, that's why I behaved that way. And also, like, I did get into like two trades on Nas and US 30, and I lost on both of those too. So I guess that loss definitely affected me way more than it should have, right? But the thing is, I did not leave those losses behind, because every trading day is a new day, right? So what happened yesterday should not affect what happened today. But so because of that yesterday, like, I just like I said, I just did not do much. And I this morning I was actually, and I didn't get a good night's sleep last night, so I was tired, and I was just like, you know what, I'm not really like trading today. And so of course I came back on the chart this morning, and lo and behold, oh, what happened? Go back, cancel. All right, so yeah, and lo and behold, like, there are so many good trades today. This is GA, and then what else? Oh yeah, US 30. Go back. Uh, all right, yeah, GA. Obviously, there's good trades. I'm not sure about gold. NAS, very very good trade. US 30. So yeah, I'm showing this because I did not get into majority of these trades because, like I said, I let my emotions from yesterday get into the way, and I woke up very late. Like, I usually try to wake up at what time? 5 a.m. my time, so Central Time, which is about 6 a.m. New York time, right? But today I woke up, I think, like 9 a.m. my time, and that's about 10 a.m. New York time. And obviously these moves were just already gone, right? I did happen to get into AU, and this is the trade I'm in. And I forgot, actually, I was in a trade from EU since yesterday, so I'm in these two trades today, but it's just like small lot size. But yeah, that's something. If I need to realize that every trading day is different. There's gonna be opportunities every trading day. Just because I lost trade yesterday, doesn't mean I'm gonna lose trade today. Or just because I won trades yesterday, doesn't mean I'm going to win or lose trades today, right? Or vice versa. But it's just something to think about. And definitely I'm realizing, like, I need to start thinking in terms of probability, because the trades, like two trades, right, are independent events, which mean basically the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of the other. So for example, if I trade like maybe like an hour ago, right? And I lost, the outcome of that trade, me losing that trade, doesn't affect me winning a trade that I would take in the next like 2 hours. Or simply put, like for example, if I were to roll a dice or if I were to flip a coin, the outcome of me flipping this coin, whether it falls on heads or tails, like it doesn't affect this outcome of whether like maybe one of the dice goes like shows 6 or shows 1. So so that's something I just realized I need to pay more attention to that. And also I do have a book that was recommended, Thinking in Bets. So this book, apparently it was written by a poker player, and so I started reading it, but I think I was just in the introduction. So I feel like this is something I really need to pay attention to, so that way I can get my mind right, right? In terms of probability. And also something I have learned from a book that I read. Basically, we're under psychological attack when we trade in the market. Like if you can see this chart in front of me, it's basically an it says the chart is a depiction of emotional response of a disaster. And look at this, y'all. Like this look exactly like the GU chart. So you have the high, and then people think this is going down, and then obviously it goes back down to trigger the stops and to stop up people, and then go the opposite direction. So this look exactly like when you're trading a chart. And I even googled this to make sure it's right. And look at this, like, you know, this is definitely legit. Like all of these look like it looks like a chart. So I think basically we need to take it easy. Like don't be so hard on ourselves, because like I said, we're going through a psychological battle when we trade, and we're trading against like the best traders out there, the smartest people, you know, and then the people with more money. Like we're just a little, I guess, little fishes in the ocean. We just need to be kind to ourselves, and not really like not really take, I mean, yes, trading is serious, but not take trading super serious to the point where it's like a where it's affecting us emotionally. Yeah. And then the second lesson I learned is basically to trade what you see and not what you think, right? So this is something that I think majority of forex new traders know, like we're taught, but we don't really like, you know, I guess think about it like that. So for me, this is the trade that made me realize this. So I was in this trade. Well, I came on the screen yesterday, right? And I was looking to get into this trade, obviously. I saw this pattern. Like I'm not very comfortable with trading continuation. Like most of my trades has always been like I guess reversal. So, and when I first started trading, I studied a little bit of market makers method. So I guess that kind of, I don't want to say like messed me up, but it kind of made me like to be more comfortable trading reversals. So yeah, so continuation trades is something that I need to learn how to do and like put in my, I guess, archive. But yeah, so I came to the chart and I saw this. I mean, obviously this is like the last week's low, and this was, I saw this big M that have formed below the low of last week, and I'm like, okay, so this is telling me that price wants to go down. But because I wasn't so comfortable taking this trade, I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna take it. But then I had to force myself to take the trade and be like, okay, accept the loss. Like if you lose, you lose, whatever, is fine. And so I just did like 0.01 lot, and I have a tiny account, so I just put that in just to force myself. And I actually forgot I was in this trade yesterday. And then this morning I woke up and I saw like it had gone down to this level. So that just showed me like definitely how important it is to trade what I see and not what I think, to pay more attention to the chart and not to be so like focused on my bias, and also to be flexible and change my bias. Like if I want to go long and change my bias if the chart is telling me to go short, or if I get stopped out of a trade, and the price is going the other direction, like I can be flexible enough to change to that direction that a price is going into, because at the end of the day, I don't really have any control over these markets. Like I don't know what price is going to do, so I have to look at the charts and listen, I guess, to what price is telling me to do, by just paying attention to the details on the chart, and seeing what price is saying. So yeah, I have no desire to like be the market makers or whatever. Like I just want to make a living out of my trade from my trading, and be able to make a good living and be able to take care of myself. And that's why I'm doing this, be able to take care of myself and my family. So yeah, but anyway, that's all for now, I guess. I just wanted to share what I've learned, and I hope that this helps someone as well. And I will definitely talk to you guys in my next video. Take care and bye.